Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the video and any external subtitle files. This saves time later. Install or open Handbrake or FFmpeg now, because these let you remove embedded subtitle tracks. Make a duplicate of the source file before you modify anything. This protects you if the removal goes wrong. Once done, check whether subtitles are embedded as separate tracks or hard-coded. That determines the next actions. Keep the file paths handy and note subtitle file names so you can target them precisely. You now remove soft subtitles by identifying streams. Run FFmpeg I input. MP4 to see stream ID, then remux with FFmpeg I input. MP4 map 0 map -0, SC copy output. MP4 to drop subtitle tracks without re-encoding. If you use Handbrake, uncheck any subtitle entries in the Subtitles tab and choose a preset, then start encoding. For external SRT files, deleting or renaming them stops players from loading subtitles automatically. You face hard-coded subtitles differently. They are part of the pixels, so you must re-encode using cropping, masking, or advanced inpainting. Tools like Adobe After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, or AI-based subtitle removers can reconstruct background pixels, though results vary and you may lose fidelity. Once you apply a mask and process the clip, review multiple frames to ensure consistency. If artifacts appear, revert to your backup and try alternate settings or a different tool. That troubleshooting step saves time and preserves the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.